All right, welcome to a quick introduction to Canvas, which is the platform that you're using to take these courses. So first of all, we have, with everything, we've got different modules where the information is broken up. And there are a couple different ways that you can navigate through Canvas. Obviously, everything that says read me first, we'll read that first. So we have this first module, that's introduction. We do read me first. Okay, it's going to give us a to-do of what we need to accomplish and finish in this first module. Okay, to get through this module, we can either click on these different links, which will take us to the pages that we need to go, or we can even just go next. And it's going to go through everything that we need to do. Okay. Keep going like that. And then this is where that video will go. All right. So I can either click on pages, and that's going to show me every page that's ever made. However, it's pretty much easier to keep going back to modules because, like I said, these are broken up into specific sections. So some other links that you'll need, if you notice that the first thing you need to do after reading this is to read the syllabus, you can either click that link or you can go over here to syllabus in the navigation bar, and we'll need to go over that. Again, if you're not sure about what you need to do, the assignments is going to list pretty much every assignment that you have to do that's going to be graded. Once you do submit work, grades is where you're going to see how you did. Okay? And as you're going to go over in this course, in terms of your work, for most of it, you'll be submitting it via Google Docs. So you'll have to submit those, and that's what your grades will be, but they'll be posted here. So a couple things is for this project right here, it is the only one that is slightly different in terms of you do have a Google Doc that you need to do. However, you also have to submit a few questions in a text box. You'll notice, wait, there's no text box here. Well, what you have to do is you have to click assignment, and that will pop up the text box. You type what you're supposed to type, and then you'll submit assignment again. Another thing for Module 1, not the introduction, but Module 1, part of your assignment is you have to email the teacher a question. So we're going to use the email that's within Canvas, not a Gmail. Okay. Yeah, we're going to leave. So we've gone to inbox over here. We're going to compose a new message. Okay, we drop down select course. We've only got one. Okay. So you can either do this and it'll show you the teachers, or see if you start typing King, it's going to come up. Okay. I can type. Okay. And that message will be sent. So things like calendar are not going to come into play so much at the beginning because this is a self-paced course, so assignments are not going to have hard and fast due dates, although there will be ranges of time for when assignments should be generally completed. When that starts going, you'll be able to reference calendar more, and also with your courses, you'll have more to-dos when things come up that have due dates. Okay. Also, if you get feedbacks on your assignments, that'll be there. So you should be good to go.